Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to be talking about NIO. Can it hit $80 a share in the near future? So before we do get into this video, please hit the subscribe button and also give this video a like, and let's talk about NIO. So NIO's had a massive run up since NIO Day, and we're now experiencing a bit of a, I wouldn't say a sell-off, but the price is pretty much dropping a little bit, all consolidating. And I thought this is a good topic and a good video to show you guys why this could be a good buying opportunity right at this moment in time. But remember, I am not a financial advisor or anything, but this is what I'm going to be doing, and I want to share to you guys why I might be buying more shares. So NIO released their new sedan on NIO Day, the ET7, which will be a good competitor to Tesla. Tesla have announced and said that 47% of their electric vehicle sales will come from China in the next few years. If that's the case, then if NIO can get a little piece of that market share or a bit of that market, then NIO, we can see some good growth from NIO. And it's also good because China as well do seem to obviously like NIO, as it's a Chinese company as well. They've also got an impressive battery where it goes 650 miles. That's insane, 650 miles for an electric car. Like, that's what everyone was complaining about at the beginning of getting an electric car. Like, don't really want to go that, I don't want to get an electric car because it doesn't really go that far. But now, there's no excuse, 650 miles. So, I've been looking at the option chain, and there's huge activity around the $80 mark, and it is in the near future. In fact, it is for the 19th of February, so this is very interesting that it is 19th of February. So the open interest is 20,423, so that's 20,423 in people's brokerage accounts, which is crazy. If you multiply that by 110, that's $2.2 million roughly. That's a huge bet on NIO to go to $80 a share. I like seeing all these because sometimes it does give you a good indication of where this price could go. I do it with Palantir as well, and we always had a look at the $40 share price, and Palantir smashed that $40 share price. So yeah, that's very interesting that we've got an $80 strike price for 19th of February though, so it is a while away, but not at the same time. It's still, it's not actually that far away. It'll go really quick. And the other interesting thing is, I've mentioned this on my channel before, but Nomura, said that name wrong probably, they've had a price prediction of $80 a share for NIO. So that's another good thing to notice and take in mind with this. I also want to have a look at their delivery numbers, and this is what I've found. So as you can see, their NIO delivery numbers just keep increasing and increasing, which is amazing to see if you're a NIO shareholder or looking at buying some NIO shares. They delivered 43,728 vehicles in 2020 in total, increasing by 112% year over year. They've also got something interesting that could move the price at the moment. Is the first week of February, they're going to release their delivery numbers of 2020, the first month of 2021, which is obviously January. So it'll be interesting to see the delivery numbers. If they do look promising and very good, we could see the stock price moving higher, and that makes me think as well, this $80 strike price we could be seeing on 19th of February or around that date. So let's get into my little graph. I say little, it's just a normal graph, but let's have a look at the graph and see where I think's good buying opportunities or where I'm going to be buying, and then let me know in the comments below where you think you're going to be buying this share, this stock. So having a look at this graph, I've drawn some support lines and also a trend line of where it's kind of heading at the moment. So if we have a look at the graph right now, the blue line is a support line that it could drop down to, which will be, I think, a fantastic buy in my opinion. That's where I'm going to be buying big if it did get to that, but probably might not. But that's around the $50 mark. I'll write it here. 50, I'm using a highlighter, doesn't help, does it? But so that's the $50 range support line. So the green line is a trend line that it could be following at this moment in time. If that's the case, in pre-market we're actually down to $56. The things I would be watching out for is this here, the MACD, and you could say also the RSI. It might need to drop a little bit. Yeah, so watch out for the MACD because it has got room to have a bit more downside And I am looking at it at the 1 day chart because I'm looking at it a bit more long term. We could end up trading sideways a little bit at the moment to reach the trend line, and $56 for me is a spot where I'm thinking of probably buying pre-market. And you've got to think as well, we are experiencing crazy movements in the market at the moment, and the market is going down quite a lot. We did have a massive red day yesterday, and that doesn't help too. But with these deliveries coming up for February, I do think it's a good price at this moment in time, probably the $56 mark. I would only be buying small though with the $56 because, like I said, that support line at the $50, it could drop down to that, you don't know, and that's what I just want you to be careful with. So just, if you're thinking of buying into NIO, just think of that as well. But my idea is, I kind of like the $56 mark. I think it's a pretty good price. My average position is $45 at the moment. Yeah, and then the next one is $50, and if it reached that, then that'll be a massive buying opportunity. So that's it for the NIO video. I am thinking of buying at the $56 range. I do think it's a good price at the moment. And also, if it ends up reaching down the $50 range, then yeah, I'll load up more. Just to bear in mind, I am holding NIO for a very long time, so if you guys are swing traders or anything like that, then do be careful as well. I forgot to show you my NIO holdings. I'll do that for my next video when I do another NIO video. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, and also give this video a like. Comment below how many shares have you got in NIO, and do you see this as a buying opportunity at the moment or not? Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one.